Okay, I've removed my elevator from the stands. I've also gone ahead and trimmed around the leading edge of the elevator and gone ahead and used my hot knife and sealed the edges there so that it won't tear any further. And I'm going to go ahead and start working on my corner here now. Again, you can see here's the finished product that we're going to try to do. This, of course, being the top side of this elevator and this being the bottom side of this elevator. You can see the way that my flap is going to be. And on this being the top side, you can't see the flap. Okay? Now you can see that I've gone ahead. Again, we've got all of our rivet spacing here are 2 inches apart until we start this curve. Once the curve starts, I go ahead and put the holes every inch all the way around so we get back to our flat surface. I've also gone ahead and cut this seam right up to this rivet hole, which incidentally will be where I have this big head rivet here. And that's where we'll cut our seam. And again, very importantly, use our hot knife to seal these so that it doesn't want to tear any further once we cut it. I've also gone ahead and cut between each and every hole. I've cut a little flap for this side that we're going to wrap around first, which again is on our bottom side. This will be hidden underneath. So we can go ahead and put a little double sticky tape on here and go ahead and start working all these around until we get as many of these wrinkles out as we possibly can. Again, you can see on my finished product here, there is a small amount of wrinkle. If that's something you're really worried about, you can go ahead and put some small dowel rod on the leading edge, but something that insignificant, honestly, I'm probably going to be the only one that ever sees that. But it's up to you. It's up to how meticulous you really want to be. And again, try to tape all these, and then we'll go ahead and do the same with our other layer for the bottom. But I'll go ahead and get all these taped down and get started on the second layer.